I'm Chanel, and this is my No by Year. Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chanel once again. Thank you so much for coming by and hanging out with me. So, I got inspired from this lady here on YouTube. Her name, she goes by Hannah. That's her name. Her name is Hannah. So, I will link her channel down below. She did a whole year last year of buying nothing. She did a whole year of no buy. My no buy is kind of different, but I am going to do it, okay? I'm doing it this year. I'm doing it, okay? My no buy is a no low buy for 2019. So, my rules to my no buy are my rules, and this is what's going on. This is what's going to take place. So before I show you guys my makeup inventory of everything that is currently in my makeup collection, let me just go ahead and let you know what I am going to be doing and what my rules are for my no buy. So in my no buy, it's basically going to be a no low buy on everything beauty related. That includes makeup, skincare, hair care, and anything that beautifies the body and the way how you perceive yourself. Now, sometimes you guys might see me with no makeup on, which is perfectly fine with me, okay? Because I don't mind. Anyways, so getting off subject here. So in my no buy, I will not be buying any kind of makeup products unless I completely run out of everything in that particular category. So say if I have 6 concealers and who just came out with a concealer? Fenty Beauty, okay? Rihanna, okay? Riri just came out with a concealer. I want to try that concealer. But I can't try that concealer because I have like 6 concealers already, and I can't go purchase that one that I want to try because I have 6 already that I need to use up before I can go and purchase one. So that's an example, which I just do want to try that concealer. So I'm actually making a list of everything I want to try that I'm not going to buy or can't buy right now. The reason why I call it a no to low buy, because if it's something that I truly want, I'm going to get up and I'm going to go buy that item. And I probably will not have a good excuse why I'm buying it, besides the fact that I really want it and I need to have it. Okay? Now the other part of my low buy is that I will still be receiving my BoxyCharm. Okay? So, if you guys did not know, I did do a BoxyCharm unboxing for December and a BoxyCharm Luxe unboxing for December. Now, I upgraded my box, and then I kind of sweet talked hubby to get a box in his name that would be my box too. So that's why I was able to unbox both of the boxes. Now I'm going to keep both of the boxes, okay? You guys will find out later on what the second box is for, but anyways. So that is part of my low buy thing. I will still be doing that subscription box. I will not be doing FabFitFun, so you're not going to see that box being unboxed on my channel. I may do 1 or 2 hauls throughout this entire year. I'm still not for certain on that yet, but if I do, I will do the hauls with you guys. So essentially, my no low buy year will also be considered to me as my Project Pan year, where I am trying to pan and use up everything in my makeup collection. Now that does not include eyeshadow palettes, because y'all already know how that one little tiny eyeshadow palette, hold on, I'm gonna get it. Alright, now you guys know how this little eyeshadow palette went for me last year in 2018 Project Pan. Okay, I did pretty good. but I was able to hit pan on 3 shadows. Yeah, so we're just going to close that up. So I am not going to try to pan out any eyeshadow palettes. I'm just not going to do that. But I am going to use every single palette I have. And I am going to wean out palettes I don't like. So if I, like these palettes here, they're currently in my makeup stash for January. But if I'm using these for the month of January and there's like 1 or 2 palettes in here that I don't like, they're not going to stay in my makeup collection. They're going to leave. Because I don't have room for eyeshadow palettes that I truly don't like and I'm not going to pick up or gravitate towards to still be here. Now this is a long intro, so now that I've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into my makeup inventory. So as you see now, I am moved over to the side because I'm going to have everything pop up right over here, okay? Pop up right over here. So first thing we're going to start off with, primers. I have a total of 12 primers. Yes, as of right now, I have 12 primers in my makeup collection. Yes. I have 7 foundations. Yes, 7 foundations. 2 of them I cannot wear right now because they are summer shades. They are a little too dark for me right now, but they are great for the summer. So yeah, 7 foundations. And I have to get through all of them before I can buy a new one. Next, concealers. Now remember when I gave you that little demo or reasoning behind the concealer that I want to buy but I can't buy? Well, I won't be buying it for a while. Reason being, I have 15 concealers, okay? Now along with everything that I'm sharing with you guys, if I find out that there's a product that's not working for me, I'm not going to force myself to use it and to get through it. It's going to go bye-bye. It's not going to stay. It's not working for me, so it's not going to be in my collection anymore. But I am going to use every product, but if it doesn't work for me, it's not going to stay. Oh, I have everything written on my little paper here, and I am just reading it as I go. I have 8 loose powders. And y'all know loose powders last for a while, especially if I'm not going to be caking it on my face on a daily basis. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to end up changing how many times I put a video up every week. I can get through it that way. Okay. Anyways, so I have 8 loose powders. Next, pressed powders. I have 5 pressed powders. I already know that's going to be something for me to go through because they're pressed and I got to get through them. So I got 5 pressed powders. And I will be interchanging my powders throughout my monthly makeup drawer or makeup stash. So I will be changing out the powders and stuff. So as long as I hit pan, if I see a little bit of pan on on the powders, you know, any kind of pressed powder product that includes blush, it counts. Okay, it counts as me hitting pan on it because it's just going to be hard for me to go through anything like that. Next, eyeliners. I have, and y'all know I don't use eyeliner, I have 18 eyeliners. 18. And I have to get through them. I have 18 eyeliners. I have 19 lip liners. Yes, I have 19 lip liners. And y'all seen how long it's been taking me to use that little tiny one from LA Girl in the shade Chocolate. Like, it's like this now. It's like really, really small. Like, I can get through it probably by the end of January. But it's taking me a while. Next, I have 3 brow products. Yes, I only have 3. But the thing is, I have 1 brow pencil. I have a brow pomade and brow powder. And that brow powder has... Now the brow powder is not just 1 shade. It's actually 3 shades. And it looks just like this. So this is my brow powder. And I actually really just use, you know, the 2 with the holes in it. That's it. And I just want to hit pan on this. That's it. I know I won't be able to use all this up because I have 2 other items. But I want to at least hit pan on this. And my brow pomade from ColourPop As you can see, there is quite a big hole, divot, or whatever you want to call it in there. I want to attempt to try and finish this entire thing. So I hope that works out for me. I really want to finish that. Next, I have 13 mascaras. 13. I only got 2 eyelids with a little bit of lashes on it, so I'm not sure how I'm going to get through that, but I got 13 mascaras. Yeah, I believe I counted all my setting sprays correctly. I have 6 setting sprays, okay, 6 of them. I have 6 setting sprays. Now we just gonna jump right into, jumping right into the lippies, okay? Now my lippies consist of my liquid lipstick, my lip gloss, and my more solid, I'm saying solid because they're not liquid, so my more solid lipsticks. I have 25 liquid lipsticks, 1 lip palette, and 17 solid lipsticks. In all honesty, if I can get through 4 of them completely, I would be happy. But yeah, you know, some of them might not stay, but yeah, that's how many I got. Cheek products. So these cheek products includes blushes, highlights, and like bronzers, or you know, anything to bronze and chisel out my cheekbones and stuff like that. So, okay, take it back. It does not include highlight. Yes, it does. Highlight. I have 12 blushes. Now, I am going to attempt to get as far as I can on blush, but it may not happen. I might not hit pan on any blush, but I am going to attempt. I have 4 contour products. I have the Anastasia palette. I have another one with the Anastasia and the other 2 palettes that I have. So I have 3 contour palettes. They all have at least 3 shades inside of them, except for Anastasia. That one has 6. And then I have 2 cream contour sticks. So we'll see how that works. We'll see how that works. For highlights, I have 11 highlight products. Now the only thing I did not include in my highlighting product was this item that just came in a BoxyCharm. It's the Cover FX Glitter Drops. I'm not including that in here because I'm not really going to be using it on my face. I'm going to add that to like my body lotions and stuff like that when it starts hitting spring and summer. So I did not include that in this at all. Hence the reason why I'm not going to be able to pan anything. I have 33 eyeshadow palettes. Okay, as of right now, 33 eyeshadow palettes. But as I'm telling you guys everything that's in here, this does not include anything from December's BoxyCharm. Okay, I didn't want to. That's a whole nother thing all on itself. I'm not including anything from December's BoxyCharm. So anything I received in December from BoxyCharm is not included in this list. I have 4 single eyeshadows, so I have weaned those down, but any shadows that I put into like a Z palette, which I have 3, I think I have 3 Z palettes, I consider those a palette itself, but if they're not in a Z palette, then I consider them singles. So I have 4 of those, okay, I only have 4 singles, and I managed to cut that down a lot when I did my declutter. I also only have, I only have 3 facial sprays. Now these facial sprays, I use them, you know, whenever I just want to add moisture to my face, or if I want to set my whole makeup look. I don't always use them to set my makeup, so it's more of a skincare item. So yeah. So that is everything that is currently in my makeup collection. That does not include BoxyCharm. So if you're wondering, if you want to know why I'm not including anything from BoxyCharm, it's because I want to keep a drawer. So I have a drawer dedicated right over here. A drawer dedicated just for BoxyCharm items for 2019. It started in December, so I do have December's palettes and December's lip products, which I have 2 of those, and I have 2 palettes. What else is in here? And I have the blush palette from Wander Beauty. I have those, and I have eyeshadow primer in here too. So that is everything from BoxyCharm that I received makeup wise. They came in my BoxyCharm for December 2018. So that entire drawer in my Alex 5 unit is one drawer. Okay, one drawer. I will be housing every item I received from BoxyCharm, and then I will going to do a review on all those products at the end of 2019. Alright, so yeah. So I'm super excited, super stoked. I'm not sure how often I will be doing an update with you guys. That part I'm not really sure yet. I might do it every 2 months. I'm not sure if I'll do it every single month, but I might do it every 2 months. Or I might just, you know, pop in and let you guys know how well I'm doing. But yes, so that is everything in my makeup collection, in my makeup inventory. That is everything makeup wise. It's taken me a while because I had to organize everything and I had to count everything, figured everything out. Then I decluttered a lot of stuff. So the stuff I decluttered is not counted in here. I do currently still have them in here, but it's because I've been on vacation for 3 weeks, okay? So I haven't seen some of these people for like a while, and then some people I just haven't went to go see yet to give them these items because I'm decluttering them. They're lightly used, and then I'm giving them to them. Yes. So now that I've talked long enough and you guys get the whole drift of my no low buy year for 2019 and my project pan for 2019, I'm not sure what this video is going to be called, but I'm pretty sure you guys already know what the name of the video is called because by then I have already put the title in already. Alright, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys decide to stay and hang out with me along with my journey of my no low buy year and my project pan for 2019. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye!